In this video, I'll be illustrating how permanent supply shock impacts the economy using the ADAS model. I'll walk you through the changes step by step on a graph, showing both the short-run effects and how the economy reaches a new long-run equilibrium. Let's begin by imagining a permanent decrease in productivity, like a significant increase in input costs or a major natural disaster that damages infrastructure. This kind of shock reduces the economy's productive capacity. We start with the initial long-run equilibrium, where aggregated demand intersects both the short-run aggregated supply and the long-run aggregated supply at point A, which would be right here. This represents the economy out of full employment with stable prices. We're going to label this initial equilibrium. Now, due to the permanent shock, the LRS curve shifts to the left from LRS1 to LRAS2. We'll go ahead and show that using a purple dotted line. And then we'll go ahead and label that as L L R L R A S 2. And then we'll go ahead and label this first one as L R A S 1. Sorry about that. And then we'll show with an arrow that it had gone left. Okay. This reflects a decrease in the economy's overall product capacity. Similar, the SRAS curve shifts left from SRAS1 to SRAS2 because of the cost of production has increased. So we'll go ahead and show that using green in a dotted line. Okay, this will be shown right here. And then we'll go ahead and note that change using an arrow and by labeling these. This is SRAS2 and this is SRAS1. As shown here on the legend, just so you guys can keep track. Okay, as a result, the economy moves to a new short-run equilibrium at point B. Point B would be shown right here. This is short-run equilibrium. So we'll go ahead and label that as short-run equilibrium. Okay. In the short run, we will observe higher prices and lower output, which is a classic case of stagflation, a combination of stagnation and inflation. In the long run, since the shock is permanent, the economy does not return to its original level of output. Instead, the economy adjusts to a new long-run equilibrium, where AD intersects both the new SRAS2 and LRAS2 curves at point C. We'll go ahead and label that on the graph right here. This will be point C, the new long-run equilibrium. Okay. This is the new steady state of the economy, marked by a permanently lower level of output and higher price level. So overall, a permanent supply shock causes a lasting shift in the economy's potential output, and the ADAS model helped us visualize both the immediate disruption and the long-term adjustment. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this video helped out.